So let's start. This is our Miami crochet, and we are going to be using the 2 pieces, and they're enough for the hairstyle that we're going to do. And of course, when you have that, you're going to add the oil, and this one is going to help us to split these crochet, and we're going to be splitting it according to the size we want. So this is how we are going to be doing it. Oh yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. And now, today I have something that is very interesting, so I'd like you to give me your time so that we can do this together. And we're going to be looking at how to install the Miami crochet. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to take you through all the steps so that you can see how we managed to do this. And of course, as usual, we always try to apply the anti-itchy before doing our crochet. But first and foremost, there is something that I need us to understand here, is that whenever we're doing this crochet, we always need to first know the size of the crochet, and then now the size is the one that gives us the type of a cornrow we're supposed to do. So most of the times, if the crochet is very big, and of course our cornrow is also supposed to be at least bigger to help the crochet to last longer. So the mistake some people always do is to make the smaller cornrow on a bigger crochet, but that one is wrong. The one we're supposed to do, like this time around, according to our crochet, the way it looks, we are going to do it on this type of cornrow. So please let me take you through and you see how it looks like, and you can already see how we are locking. The locking, you have to lock 2 times, because when you do it once, since the extension is slippery, it may come out. Okay, so we have to lock it twice. And of course, when we are done with all this, we need to see how can we style this. And of course, I'm giving you the 4 hairstyles that came out from these trending Miami crochet. Let's try to look at them. And after it all, I would need you to rate me from 1 to 100. And guess what? Just drop it in the comment section. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and this is Miami Crochet from Darling Company, Uganda. If you want them, please, you can really go to their website called Darling Company, Uganda, and you order for yourself these crochet. Very nice and soft. All you can do to maintain them is by use of moss. You can use the moss, and then even those conditioner, the curly sprays. I hope you get them all. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. May the Lord bless you all. Bye bye. See ya.
Number 1, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number 1. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukuku wa pulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi, he ma run them. Jemviri bakuwa balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh na na, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah. A number one project master, Morris.
Katonzi by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chitayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah yeah.